Okay, so look at our question number 11 here. They said by using substitution, u equals to ln x. Evaluate this up to 5 decimal means we're going to integrate this. This one question problem dx hilang, dx tak tulis, kena tolak markah macam ni. Ini dx pun tak tulis, kena tolak markah. Typing error. Okay, typo here. So for this, they said by using substitution, so we have to follow lah. Although this question we can use formula, okay. Although we can use formula these questions, but it said substitution, okay. So we have to follow the instruction from the questions to find this integration directly. Then you can see if this using trapezoidal rule up to 5 equal subinterval, compute the error. So one is direct integration. One is approximation method using trapezoidal rule to find this integration. We have to compare and find what is the difference, what is their error here. So this is how the question asks different, okay. So for this integration, I want to revise here. Actually, this integration we can use formula, which is we take out our ln x time with 1 over x. So this is our fx, this is our f prime x. We can do our giant function. Because when we have function, we can go back our notes here, summary notes here. You can see when we have function and at the side here is differentiate function, we can power plus 1 over new power. So actually this integration can bring to ln x power plus 1 becomes square over new power then plus c if we integrate using formula. So but this method we cannot use here. We have to follow our instruction from the questions. They said by using substitution, u equals to ln x. So substitution means we have to substitute all part of the question. So this ln x already substitute changed to u. So how about dx and x here haven't changed? So to get dx, we have to differentiate u with respect to x. Salin is equal to differentiate soal di atas. So you boleh nampak 1x dx. Ni bahagian 1 per x dx. Kan dia punya dx hilang. So 1 per x dx. So when you can see 1 per x dx. This is u part we already substitute. 1 per x dx adalah du. Okay, so for define integral, you have to be careful, yeah. So for define integral here, this is x coordinate. This is x coordinate. We need to change to the u value of u instead of x because this all is in term of x. So when we use substitution, when we want to change u, so all the things have to in term of u. Even the limit, the value also need to in term of u. So how to change it, we can refer here. So when x equals to 2, what is your u? U will be ln 2. So when x equals to 3 upper limit, what's your u? You can substitute in your expression u here. U is ln x, which is ln 3. So therefore, from a question integrate 2 to 3, ln x over x dx, when we substitute into u terms, it will become integrate for x equals to 2, it will be ln 2. For x equals to 3, it will be ln 3. Function ln x become u, and then 1 over x dx become du. So this is how we use our substitution method. So originally it's integration on ln x over x. So after substitution, we just integrate u only. So for integrate u will be power plus 1 over new power, upper limit ln 3, lower limit ln 2. So when we have limit case, we just substitute our limit, which is ln 3 cubed minus ln 3 square minus ln 2 square. Okay, so we just press our calculator so we can use this integrate u. So we assume it as x because our calculator only can type x. Okay, we cannot type u. So ln 2. Here is ln 3. So our defined integral will bring us to 0.36. So how many decimal? How many decimal they want to find here? So they didn't mention, right? So when they didn't mention, we have to use common sense. Our common sense will be three significant figure, more than three significant figure. So here, if I want to more than three significant figure, I need to take more. 3, 6, 3, 2. Like here, only four significant figure. So I take up to 5 lah. 2, 4, 7. So 2, 5. So this is 5 decimal place that I take. So this is how we integrate from our substitution integration. Getting this area is this answer. So for second part, this one is evaluate up to 5 decimal place, already mentioned. So I didn't notice here. So here you can see up to 5 decimal. Okay. Okay, 5 decimal clear. So next we continue to our so next we continue after we substitution up to 5 decimal place as the question asks here. Then we continue using trapezoidal rule. 5 subinterval. So n will equals to 5. So h will be upper limit minus lower limit over n, which is 5. So which is 1 over 5. Okay. So you have 5 subinterval means you will have 6 ordinates. Okay, 5, n equals to 5. You can see number of stripe is 5. So your ordinates will be 6. So here we need to draw 8 row lah. So we're going to draw 8. Okay, then we use our mode calculator. From calculator table number 9. Function, what is our function? Ln x. Okay, fraction. Ln alpha x over alpha x. Enter. Gx don't have. Start with lower limit, which is 2. Upper limit, which is 3. What's your step? What's your height of the trapezium? 1 over 5. Okay, so this is our x. So this is our x coordinate. So x1, 2, x2 2.2, x3 2.4, x4 2.6, x5 2.8, x6 3. Last one, total. So y here, we're going to times our ln x over x. So y1 346 573. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5 decimal, right? So 5 decimal, right? So our calculation have to more extra 2. So becomes 7, 6, 5, 9. So it is 6. Okay, just now it's 5 decimal. So here plus 2, 7 decimal. Okay, decimal have to constant, yeah. 7 decimal, then will 7. You cannot suddenly 7, suddenly 6, suddenly 5, then will be wrong everything. The table must be constant, 7 decimal. 77864, so 86. Five, 6. Okay, so finish table, then we have to add on in together. So after done our table, just plug in, okay, plug into our trapezoidal rule. H1 over 5 divided by 2, petang-petang tekan calculator. Okay, so 5 decimal also. So what is their error? What's their error? They are asked us to find what's their error, what's their difference. So we can take the higher value, which is the direct integration here, minus the uh, smaller value there. Okay, turn back their decimal. So press this one, shift this one. You can see an arrow here, means get back to the decimal 0.0029. So this is our error. Okay, 7 marks. Okay, so this one I don't have answer scheme. So this is our working. I don't have marking scheme, so just take down the answer scheme only.